Hello students, today we perform our experiment of construction the circuit of delta modulation and demodulation and observe the waveform of different section. The equipments required delta modulation trainer kit, CRO, patch codes and probes. Before going to perform our experiment, we know what basic things of delta modulation, what happened in the delta modulation. Okay. Which type of waves we get? Look, delta modulation means the analog signal converted into digital signal. So see, here we give input as a analog signal. Okay, this is here our input signal, analog input signal. After delta modulation, the signal, suppose here the delta value is 1. Okay, so this starts. Okay, after applying the delta modulation, the signal we get like this 1 0 format. Suppose here the delta is increased with our analog signal, here increase, again increase, increase. When our analog signal is decreased, the delta means our digital signal also decrease. Look, here decrease, here take. Here our delta, our analog signal's amplitude is low, so our digital amplitude is also low. 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 पर आता है, इसीलिए इसमें दो तरह का नॉइज आता है. हाउ मेनी नॉइज कम्स? 2 टाइप्स. लुक how 2 types noises come. Because of this space, the noise is first form is known as slow over form noise. Okay, why it is known as slope overcome noise? Because this is the our digital slopes overcome is ये these slopes do not capture the our analog original signal. That's why this space create a noise. This space, in this space the noises exist. This is known as slope overcome noise. Because of our slopes does not capture and does not catch the actual value of analog signal. Now come to this part. Look, this part. Here the analog signal amplitude is low. That's why here the signal goes down in negative parts. Okay, this is known as quantized noise. Means here the some signal is cut down. Only we get this part, and some parts we do not get. This is known as quantized noise. Now come how it is work. You look here the signal is increased, so here the slope number is 1, fully 1. Now it is decreasing part. This is 0. Here the slope value is delta value is 0. Here the delta is 0 1 0 1 0 1. Because decrease increase decrease increase decrease increase means 0 1 format. But here he continuously 1 and then some parts continuously 0. Okay. To avoid this low overcome noise, we increase the value of delta. Suppose we take the value of delta is 2. That means our signal is also comes. Again I the our signal is look like this. Here we take the delta value is 2. So the height of delta is also increased, so that here our signal captures the actual analog signal as compared to previous signal, as compared to previous delta value. Here the DM, after DM modulation, that captured the analog signal very perfectly as compared to this, but not captured perfectly, because here also comes some type of slope, because we do not remove the slope overcome noise perfectly. Somehow we come decrease the value of the how many powers the slope overcome is come here. Here only decrease the power of the impact of slope overcomes noise, but here we increase. That's why here also the value of delta is increased. That means here the value of quantizing error is increased. So we do not apply this formula, only look at सिर्फ हम इस साइड स्लोप ओवरकम को कम कर स्लोप ओवरकम नॉइस को कम करने के लिए देख के ही यही करेंगे, क्योंकि हमको दोनों को देखना पड़ेगा. अगर यहाँ पर स्लोप ओवरकम नॉइस कम हो रहा है तो ऑपोजिटली क्वांटाइज्ड नॉइस ज़्यादा हो रहा है, इसलिए हमको देखना पड़ेगा दोनों का कैसे, दोनों को हम कितना वैल्यू देने से दोनों का थोड़ा मतलब नॉइस कंट्रोल में आता है. So we do not apply to see only the part of slope overcome noise या फिर slope the quantized noise. We take the value, we take and observe the both noise, slope overcome noise and quantized noise. That's why we take DM. So again I repeat, what is happening in the DM? The analog input signal converted into digital signal. Here two types of noise come, slope overcome noise and another one is quantized noise. Slope overcome noise is generally come in the high amplitude signals, and quantized noise is generally comes occur due to low value of amplitude. Let's go and perform our experiment.
Students, this is our delta modulation and demodulation trainer kit. Here this is the input of frequency to 250 Hz, 500 Hz, 1 kHz, 2 kHz. We take the frequency as our require. Here this is the delta modulator part. This is the input buffer part. This is the delta demodulator part. This is the secondary old filter and a fourth old filter. Means two types of filter given here. Okay, we connect our connection. Now we give the connection. First we take the frequency as input and give to the input buffer. Okay, now the input output goes to the delta modulator part as a input. Now we take the output of delta modulator to input of a delta demodulator part. Now we take the delta demodulator output, give the supply to the second order filter and a fourth order filter. Again I repeat how we connect the patch codes. Here we take 50-100 Hz as a frequency as a input and give to the input buffer in the input buffer as our input. The input buffer output we take the input of a delta modulator. Then the output of delta modulator take as a input of delta demodulator. The delta demodulator input we take as a input of secondary order filter and fourth order filter. Now we give the power to the trainer kit. Okay, now we on the CRO. Now for the grounded we take these parts. This is our grounded point. Now connect the patch codes to the grounded. Here we take the probes from channel 1. Here we connect the grounded point. Now we observe our frequency, the input signal. Okay. This is our input signal. We take the analog signal. Now we check the output after passing our analog signal from delta modulator. At this point, we check the delta modulator part. After the analog signal passes the demodulator part, the output is here in format of digital. Okay, you look. Now we take the output of after passing the signal from delta demodulator part. This is our signal. Here does not come the signal because of two noise, slope overcome noise and quantizing noise, so that we do not get the actual analog signal after the demodulation. Okay, again I repeat, again we check how comes signal after passing the delta modulator, means the output of delta modulator is the signal after passing the delta demodulator part. Here the given input does not see equally because of two type of noise, slope overcome noise and quantizing noise. The actual signal some part is erased. Okay, now we see the signal after passing the second order filter. Passing the second order filter, this is the signal. Then we check after passing the signal from fourth order. Okay, now we get signal, actual signal, which analog signal we take, give this signal. We again take our, now the input signal and our output signal get equally. Again I repeat, first we take the input frequency, give 500 frequency, give input to the buffer. The output of buffer we take input of the input as a delta modulator. Then we take the output of delta modulator to the input of the delta demodulator. Then we give the input to second order filter and a fourth order filter from the output of delta demodulator. Okay, this is the basic working of delta demodulator and a modulator trainer kit. Thank you.